The EPANL is a visually stunning, low-profile, easy-to-install luminaire. The fully luminous lens provides a glare-free solution for a comfortable environment. With a depth of only 2 inches, restricted plenum space is not a problem. The EPANL is ideal for a wide variety of applications across industries. It is DLC standard and premium listed, and features standard 0 to 10 volt dimming for the right amount of light for your space or task. The EPANL features a one-piece aluminum frame for superior aesthetics. With no light leak, the result is a fully luminous, evenly lit, low-glare surface. Additionally, the EPANL features an IP5X rating that ensures no dust or bugs can get inside the lens. The EPANL supports many access plates from luminaires currently installed in the field, allowing for reuse of the existing access plates, saving installation time and cost in retrofit applications. The EPANL has been designed with a thin profile. It's light and easy to install thanks to its shallow depth. Transport and delivery to your job site is also more efficient. The EPANL is available in 2 lumen packages and 3 sizes with multiple configurations for a versatile solution that is eligible for utility rebates. The long-life LEDs coupled with a high-efficiency driver provide superior illumination for extended service life. With great looks, excellent features, and ease of installation, the EPANL series fixture is a natural addition to the Lithonia Lighting family.